Absolutely. You feeling alright? Yeah. There we go. Yeah, cool. Okay, we're going to test the muscular endurance of your abdominals. We're going to do a 1 minute sit-up test. So what you're going to do, I'll give you a demonstration. We're going to get into the sit-up position. I'll be holding your feet down. You're going to go hands across the chest. For a minute, you're going to do a 4-range sit-up. So 4 range of motion. So if you want to get down into a sit-up position. So one more. Okay, so you ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that's good, yes. Come on, keep going. 20 seconds, go. Yeah, halfway there now. Okay, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Keep going, keep going.